Hi, today I'm going to talk about Saturn retrogression. What exactly Saturn retrogression is. If you have a Saturn retrograde planet in your birth chart, then what you can expect from Saturn or exactly what Saturn is expecting from you. If you have a Saturn retrograde in your birth chart, then make sure that you're watching this video till end. This will help you out to lead to a better life and a good life and a successful life. So let me make you understand Saturn retrograde with the help of the example. Let's say there are two brothers, brother A and brother B. Both have the same education, born and brought up in the same family, same schooling, same studies, same financial struggles. At the age of 24, brother A got the job. Brother B keep on trying to get the job, but some or the other things keep on coming and he was not able to get the job. His relatives, everyone around them were telling, this person is here for no reason. Maybe luck will not be their side or he's not a hard worker. But the reality of the story was something else. He was a hard worker, but he has a Saturn retrograde in the birth chart, due to which he was not able to get the results of his hard work so easily as the brother A. Years and years gone, he keep on doing his hard work. As a Saturn retrograde, he started focusing more on his inward. He keep on doing his hard work. He keep on doing the same work 10 times with the same hard work, with the same passion. At the age of 38, he got the job, and that is a very successful one. Brother A started getting the stagnancy in his life and he was not able to get the promotion in his job. But brother B, who was struggling for years, he got a very good job with a very good package. So, what is the lessons we are getting from this particular story? That sometimes the difference is not the hard work. It is like what is planet expecting from you, not your talent. So, if you have a Saturn retrograde, that is how your life is. You get things in life, but you get things late in life. So, Saturn retrograde, before I make you understand what exactly Saturn retrograde is and how you have to work on Saturn retrograde, you need to first understand what exactly retrograde means. Retrograde means a planet which is moving backward. It is not actually moving backward in the sky, but when we see that planet from the earth, then that planet seems like moving backward. So when it comes to the Saturn retrograde, Saturn is already a slow moving planet that brings delays, obstacles and challenges in the life. And when the person have a Saturn retrograde, then there is more delays, there is more challenges in life. But it's not a curse. You need to understand what Saturn retrograde wants from you. If you also have a Saturn retrograde in your birth chart, or universally when you find Saturn is retrograde, then what you have to do? Saturn retrograde means that you have a deeper lessons connected to the Saturn. What exactly Saturn in astrology is? Saturn is your discipline, Saturn is your karma, Saturn is your money, Saturn is your career, Saturn is your financial independency, and Saturn is overall your hard work. So if you have a Saturn retrograde, maybe the same work you have to do 10 times and then 11 times you're going to get the success. And that will be the unexpected success. But Saturn retrograde means that same work you have to do repetitively with the same passion. If you have a Saturn retrograde and you are not putting the hard work in your work, you will never get the success. If you have a Saturn retrograde in your birth chart and if you will take your job for granted, or you will take your business for granted, then you are going to face the problems in your business, obstacles and the challenges in your career. Saturn retrograde means that whatever work you are into, whatever career you are into, whatever business you are into, you have to give your 200%. And that can only be possible if you are happy in your career, if you are happy in your business. You have to follow your passion, whatever career you are into, whatever business you are into. If it is your passion, then you will never feel tired of doing the same repetitive work 10 times, because Saturn wants perfection from you. So Saturn retrograde means that the same work you have to do maybe 10 times, 11 times. When it becomes perfect, then Saturn will give you unexpected success in the life. So first learning that you will get from the Saturn retrograde is never expect anything from Saturn. You have to just keep on doing your karma, keep on taking your actions, And whatever career you are into, whatever business you are into, make sure that you are very passionate about that work. So if you're very passionate about the work and about your business, what you are doing, Saturn will give you unexpected success, a success which you have never expected in the life. Saturn retrograde means that you will get results by delays, obstacles, and challenges, but there is no denial. When the outcome will come, it will be a beautiful one which you were not expecting. Only one expectation that Saturn retrograde have from you is make sure whatever work you are doing with the perfection. Because Saturn sits in one zodiac sign for 2.5 years, and that is what Saturn wants perfection from you. And in your case, Saturn is retrograde. Already a slow moving planet becoming retrograde, that means more delays and obstacles, but no denial. A retrograde planet is highly noticeable in the birth chart. So when you have a retrograde planet, and especially when you have a Saturn as a retrograde, then your life start rotating around there. Retrograde planet focus more on your inward. You will become a strict teacher for your own self. You will be a very hard working person and try to follow integrity in life with lot of lessons, because you will get a lot of lessons in life where you become so strict with your own self that you started following spirituality. You started involving yourself into the meditation and give your 200% what the work what you do, and that is only what the Saturn requires from you. So Saturn retrograde means that you have to just work hard and hard. So Saturn retrograde planet just ask you one thing: if you're doing the hard work, then you will get the results. But if you choose to take the shortcuts in life, then Saturn will not give you the results. So make sure that whatever work you are doing, you are giving your 200% in that thing, and then Saturn will give you the unexpected results, but you can't attach to yourself with the end results. So if you have a Saturn retrograde, keep on doing your karma, keep on taking your actions without thinking about the output, when and how it will happen. Because the right time will come, it will happen, and the result will be the unexpected and the beautiful one. How Saturn retrograde affects your relationship? If you have a Saturn retrograde in your birth chart, you will get a lot of karmic lessons in your relationship. You will be facing problem in getting or attracting the right partner, and you will get a lot of life lessons. So one learning that you have to take it, any step you are taking during the Saturn retrogression, or if you have a Saturn retrogression in your birth chart, make sure that you have to take time, understand, and persistency, consistency, and patience is the one and the foremost remedy of Saturn retrograde. So if you have a Saturn retrograde and you want things to become in your favor, first you have to practice detachment. Let go. Just focus on your karma, just take the right actions and give your 200% in the work or in your relationship. Auto you will see some unexpected good news you will get in your career and in your relationship. So the remedies that you have to do if you have a Saturn as a retrograde, make sure that you are following your passion, because when you follow your passion, you will never feel tired of doing the same work again and again. Patience, consistency, zero ego. Try to be grounded. If you are a successful person, make sure that you keep on paying the gratitude. If you have a Saturn as a retrograde, stop complaining, stop cripping. Just focus on your career, work, and work. As much as you are occupied and giving your 100% in your work, Saturn will give you unexpected results. If Saturn retrograde is becoming more problematic for you, then make sure every Saturday you are doing the Chaya Dan. This will help you out to remove your karmic blockages from your life. So, no other planet sitting in the sky and deciding to hit you back. It is us who don't work as per the planet. So, Saturn retrograde is not a problem. It is just you have to give 200% in the work what you are doing. Share this video with your loved one. Har Har Mahadev.